Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to see your fourth essay, The Midnight Visitor. The Midnight Visitor is a very thrilling account of a secret agent, Osabel's once particular episode. Osabel did not fit any description of a secret agent. He did not live up to the romantic picture of a secret agent that we read in books or see in films, like James Bond. The climax reveals Max jumps out of the window and falls to the ground screamingly. The title, The Midnight Visitor, author Robert J. Arthur. He is an American. Robert Arthur was an American writer of mystery and speculative fiction. His fame rests on the Mysterious Traveler radio series and his Three Investigators series of novels. His stories were published in many magazines between 1930 and 1940. He also wrote mystery books for children. He was twice honored by the Mystery Writers of America with his writing partner Edgar. Setting of the story: The Room of Osabel, the secret agent. Plot: how the secret agent gets rid of Max the spy in a cunning way. The characters are Osabel, secret agent; Fowler, a young writer; Max the spy; Henry the waiter. Now let's go about the characters about Osabel. Osabel is a different kind of secret agent. Generally, secret agents that are described in detective books or shown in films are very smart and gun-friendly. Wine and dark-eyed beauties are associated with them. However, Osabel does not present such a romantic picture. He is a very fat and sloppy. Physically, he may be fat, but mentally he is very agile and quick-witted. He knows all the tricks of his trade. He is very quick to react and can cook up stories that may fit in all kinds of situations. He convinces even the crafty Max that there is a balcony below the window of his room. Now let's move to the next character, Max. Max is a secret agent and a rival and enemy of Osabel. He is slender, a little less than tall. He appears crafty and has a countenance of a fox. There is nothing especially menacing about him except his pistol. He enters Osabel's room to take away a very important paper concerning some new missiles. The next character we are going to see about is Fowler. Fowler is a young and romantic writer. He wants to write a book on detectives. Fowler forms a very romantic and grand picture of a secret agent in his mind. He finds Osabel not cracking pistols or surrounded by dark-eyed beauties like James Bond. He feels let down after meeting Osabel. Now let's see the summary. Introduction: Detective Osabel, spy sentry, description about the balcony, demand of the spy, worst escape, and conclusion. Introduction: This story is about a secret agent who overcomes a deadly spy by his cunning tactic, Detective Osabel. Osabel was a secret agent and an intelligent detective, but his appearance and his American accent did not show him a typical detective. Fowler was a young writer who wanted to meet Osabel to solve his personal problem. The spy's entry. When both of them entered the room, they saw Max, a spy, holding a gun. Osabel understood that Max had come there for the important report. He wanted to outwit Max. Description about the balcony. His presence of mind made him tell a lie that there was a balcony below the window of his room. Osabel asked Max whether he had came through the balcony, but there was no balcony at all. Max replied him that he had entered the room using a pass key. Max did not know anything about the balcony. Demand of the spy. The spy asked Osabel to hand him over the secret paper concerning some new missiles. Osabel paused the time by saying that he would receive those papers at 12:30 only. The worst escape. After some time, the waiter knocked the door, bringing drinks, but Osabel said that it was the policeman. Max was getting ready to jump on the balcony. On the second knocking, Max jumped through the windows in order to escape, thinking that there was the balcony. Now the end of the story. Conclusion. Since there was no balcony, he fell down to the ground screamingly. Thus, Oswald outwitted Max by his intelligence and presence of mind. The criminal is the creative artist and the detective only the critic. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel if you like it.